Hey guys, welcome back to the shredding vlogs. I thought I'd get into how I'm fasting during Ramadan. I'm gonna show you my meals real quick and then we'll get into the routine right after that.
Mashallah, mashallah. Mashallah, habibi! We gotta get that mashallah one time. Yeah.
When you see me, say mashallah. Look at my ice, look at my life. Price went up, say mashallah. Look at my car, look at my yard. Thanks to Allah, say mashallah. Look at my health, look at my wealth. Man's doing well, say mashallah. Look at the gang, look at my bam. Check my account, say mashallah. Look at the ice, look at my life. Price went up, say mashallah. Look at my car, look at my yard. Thanks to Allah, say mashallah.
Alright, so for those of you who don't really know what Ramadan is, basically it's 30 days where Muslims all over the world, we fast for 30 days, no water, no food, no sex, like nothing that's baseline as a human being to survive, none of that from sunrise to sunset. The idea of it is that you can stay away from your baseline desires, food, water, sex. You can achieve the discipline to reach your spiritual goal. Okay, so I'm going to take you through what I'm doing each day this month during Ramadan. When it comes to cardio, I'm getting that in before iftar. Steady state walking. It does take a little bit more time to catch up with the calories that I burned when I was jogging. It's really nice too because I'm in a very scenic area, you know, I'm in nature. I put a podcast on, like an Islamic podcast, something to just help me remind me of my spiritual goals during the month. And it's just a very nice seeing up before iftar. When I break my fast with iftar, I will tell you that I've been following the recommendations of a coach online on YouTube. His name is Greg Doucette, and he did a fantastic video on how to exercise and maintain your diet during the month of Ramadan. He's actually coached competitors who were fasting during Ramadan, and after hearing that in his video, it really motivated me to go continue forwards listening to his advice.
Although I have coached many people during this period of time, including 2 bodybuilders who were competing while this was going on. So if they can actually do a bodybuilding show while this is going on, a normal average person doing this can certainly get by.
What he recommends is that when you break your fast, you want to break it with something that's fast in digestion, something that will go quickly through the body but still give you that energy resource. What I'm doing for that is I'm basically taking my breakfast items, you know, oats, eggs, anything that's fast in digestion, using that for my iftar, because we want to be able to work out as soon as we can, essentially. You know, you don't want to overeat during iftar, overstuff yourself, fall into a food coma, and let that be the reason that you don't work out. That's something you don't want to do. So you just want enough energy to be able to be fueled up for your workout, and then the other meals will be saved after that. So after iftar, I pray Maghrib, I wait a little bit, pray Tarawih, you know, do my halakha, and right after that I will go into resistance training. So at this point I'm fueled up and I'm ready to go into resistance training, and after that is when I'll take my protein shake plus my second meal of the day. The third meal of the day, which will be my final meal, will be right before sihri, right before suhoor, when you wake up at 4 a.m. And this will be something that's not fast digesting, actually. This one is going to be slow digesting, something that is going to keep you satiated for longer so that you aren't breaking down throughout the day as much as you would have if you ate something that's more fast digesting. So you want to save your meats, you know, your steak, your chickens, whatever that's more slow in nature to digest during suhoor time around 4:30, 4 a.m., depending on where you are. You know, I think so many times Ramadan becomes an excuse to not stick to your fitness goals, but it's not the case at all. Whether you're trying to gain weight or lose weight, you can do anything you want as long as you're strategically planning things around your fitness goal. I am going to be so honest with you guys, it has not been easy. Shredding and fasting on top of that, you know, staying consistent with the diet, staying consistent with the workouts, you know, you're so fatigued on top of everything, but I will tell you the kind of discipline that you achieve during Ramadan can really translate into your workouts and really translate into your diet. And at the end of it, I just want to become stronger, like spiritually, obviously, mentally, physically, all of it. You know, it's very holistic in nature. I mean, there was a point earlier this week when I swear I was gonna like buy myself a box of donuts and be like, just this one time. But I didn't break down. You know, I started even looking up like all these articles on why I need to have a box of donuts, but if you guys could actually like this video and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more content coming out each week on how I'm going to navigate through the shredding process, how I'm achieving the goals, all the fun stuff that I've learned in between. I'd love to share with you guys. I know I sound like a cringy ass YouTuber, but I've gotten to that point in my life. I appreciate all the support. If you guys found it helpful, please share with anyone who's still trying to figure out their workout routine, still trying to figure out what they should be eating. Also, if you guys have any tips, I love hearing from you guys, especially the fitness community that I have on my Instagram. I love hearing about what you guys are doing to maintain your fitness goals and your spiritual goals as well. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll catch you guys next week.